New 2019 BMW Z4 M40i, drive, interior, and exterior. The limited special edition of the Roadster inspires not only with the agility, precision and dynamic handling characteristics that are so typical of BMW M Performance models, but also with particularly sophisticated design and equipment features, including a body paintwork in frozen orange metallic. The new edition of the Roadster will celebrate its world premiere at precisely the same location that served as the stage for the first public presentation of the BMW Concept Z4 last year. With its puristic, dynamic and progressive design language, the concept vehicle presented a vision of a charismatic sports car which, thanks to the production model, now becomes reality. Just a glance at the new BMW Z4's proportions leaves no doubt about its dynamic potential. The central seating position for the driver, the low center of gravity, perfectly balanced 50/50 axle load distribution, wide tracks and a compact wheelbase form the ideal prerequisites for inspiringly agile handling and intense driving pleasure. The BMW Z4 M40i First Edition fulfills these expectations in every aspect thanks to an extremely powerful 250 kW/340 horsepower, straight six-cylinder engine and a sports suspension with electronically controlled dampers, M Sports braking system, and an electronically controlled M Sports differential in the rear axle transmission. The BMW M Performance automobile takes a mere 4.6 seconds to sprint from a standstill to 100 km/h. Vertically aligned headlights, the BMW kidney grille sporting a mesh design, the bonnet stretching sports car-like over the wheels, large air breathers on the front wheel arches, and the distinctive spoiler integrated into the rear lid all contribute towards the characteristic look of the new BMW Z4. The design of the interior also places the focus on the puristic sportiness of the new BMW Z4. The driver-oriented cockpit styling is underscored by dynamic forward-oriented lines. Likewise, the clearly structured arrangement of all control elements enhances the focus on the driving experience inside the new BMW Z4. Moreover, for a perfect start into a new Roadster era, the new BMW Z4 M40i First Edition offers specific design and equipment features that add exclusive accents to the car's sporty flair. The expressive body paintwork in frozen orange metallic is combined with an electrically operated textile soft top and anthracite with silver effect. The BMW individual high-gloss shadow line, black exterior mirror caps, and 19-inch light alloy wheels boasting a bicolor, double-spoke design. The interior of the edition model comprises the Vernosca black leather trim with decorative stitching, electrically adjustable seats with memory function, the option ambient light, and the Harman Kardon surround sound system. Adaptive LED headlights with matrix function for the high beam. BMW head-up display featured for the first time in the Roadster, and the BMW Live Cockpit Professional offering the latest networking technology underpin the advanced status. The tradition steeped concept of a two-seater, the open-top sports car has reached with the new BMW Z4. The worldwide market launch will commence in the spring of 2019.